So good to see you all once again in the campus. Okay, and nice to meet you people. So on this platform. So first, let me congratulate you people on your achievement. So I want to know one thing. So because it will be helpful for your juniors also. What strategies were set by you to achieve this goal?
Yeah, firstly, I'd like to thank you for having me here. It's an honor to be here. And as you said, what strategies would I set? So usually when I set out to study, I look forward, I plan forward. So I see like there's an example. How would I prepare for the exam? I know how serious this is. I know what's at stake. So what I do, I look at myself in the mirror, and every time I go to an exam, I ask myself, is this the best I can do? Last time I'm competing, I'm not competing with the people in my class, or the people in the next class, or the people in the entire school, but rather in winning India. I'm competing against one and only one person, and that is me. I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, okay, it is you versus yourself, right? At the end of the day, it's you versus yourself. So what I do, I actually push myself every time. So actually, one of the questions I want to back here, they ask, what are the distractions? So the main distraction here is getting our mindset right. If we don't have the mindset to do it, we will probably not do it. It is how bad do I want it? It is the want, the desire to actually be there, competing with myself, pushing myself, because I know that it relies on a great future. Like one of the most innate desires for humans is to achieve, the sense of achievement. So I'm pushing towards that sense of achievement, and I stick to my system. So the best strategy out there would be like create a system, follow the system, stick to the system no matter how hard it is. If you're waking up at 5,
follow the same pathway for the
exactly. So to add on that, if I'm waking up at 5 a.m. and studying until 6, even if it's 1 hour, I want to do it every day. And I didn't study for 8 hours a day straight or 9 hours a day. So what I did was, I studied 2 hours a day, every day, same time, same subjects, what I planned. And just follow the system, and that's how I do it.
so quality time you have
Yes,
spent.
quality
with
is what
studies,
depends,
right?
not
So,
the quantity.
Yeah,
That's right.
good to know that. Thank you, Sudarshan. And
Adarsh, do you think hobbies are very good stress busters?
Yes, and as my classmate Haripriya had mentioned that one of the major things that comes into our journey as a distraction is our stress and the way we demotivate ourselves because of this stress. So I feel that we should develop very good hobbies like reading, painting, singing, etc., dancing. So these will give us not only quality time with ourselves, and it will also help us to go in our journey without taking on much burden or much stress. In the end, what depends is not the journey. I think that it is the journey that is mattering, not the destination. And the biggest goal of our life should be to keep ourselves happy when we are in this journey.
Very well said that. Happiness. That is what all of us crave for, right? When you're happy, every other thing falls into place.
Yes.
And when I was reading the newspaper also after the results were announced of different boards and all, even I could see that most of the toppers have expressed that they have followed their passion, their hobbies. That was a real relief for them from the academics and making them stress-free. And they continue with the passion and they continue with the goal as well with it. So that's wonderful. Now, over to you. What skill set do you think the present alpha generation has to acquire?
Probably thinking straight, because even I've prepared for the exams. Even my classmates have prepared for the exams. They usually beat around the bush. They'll be like, okay, exam is there, time is there, I can study. And even we should know our potential. If you are capable at studying at the end moment, yeah, definitely you can. If you are able to handle the pressure, definitely you can. It is a good thing. People like disappoint each other who study at last, but if you are able to handle the pressure and handle the stress that you will be getting from your friends, family, teachers, etc., it's a good thing. I guess it's not only about people who study, also the people around them. They have to know what the person is capable of and not put any extra pressure, but rather guide them if they fall into a trap.
How supportive were your parents when you were preparing for your exams, Pariposh?
My parents knew me They knew my potential. They didn't put any extra pressure on me. They knew what I was capable of, and I really thank them for that.
Wonderful.
Usually,
And I think we will never forget you, Paritosh, because you are a very good person doing drama actor. I can say that. You know, the great Kannada epics that we have enacted on our annual days, where you put your heart and soul in the character, and you have, portrayed it on the stage is really amazing. So my request is carry on with that. Don't stop at the school stage itself. Who knows? You in future you may become a great actor as well,
thank
right?
you.
If you have that in your mind, okay?
It's
That's
definitely
wonderful.
an honor for being given the opportunity to express my skill.
Enact yourself.
And yeah, a lot of places do not provide that, and I thank the management for the facility.
Rishika, what is your take on the mental health well-being of students? How do you think it impacts the progress of students?
Well, whenever we start 10, our parents pressurize a lot. They're like, you're 10, stop doing that, stop doing this and all. So it's like a lot of, people are pushing me to do this, even if I'm like, it's just starting. So in the end, only few months, I put a lot of money, not to miss out. And I think that is more fruitful than to start in the So I think just keep your mind cool, calm, and just enjoy your tech because there's only once life out to achieve. So just be yourself, calm and enjoy. That's what I did. So I guess it worked.
Okay. Now, what are your tips and advice to juniors like Prajot?
Just trust your instincts. It's not just the textbooks which matter. In the end, it's also yourself. You should be happy and you should be content in what you achieve. That is what matters in the end of the day.
And if I have to give you honest advice, I feel like you shouldn't have that, pessimistic mindset, like looking at others, even, our parents or people around us may be like, you can't do it. In preparatory, believe it or not, I got really less marks. And people around me, few demotivated me. But I didn't ever pay attention to that. Imagine you have like half-filled glass of water. You should never think that it's half empty. You should be like it's half full. So that should be your mindset. And just enjoy your 10th because it's once in a lifetime opportunity, as she said. And don't stress yourself. I am telling you, 10th boards are easy. Please don't stress yourself. Enjoy the process. Have the time of your life.